हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ इंडिगो एयरलाइंस के कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई 2024 में अभी लेटेस्ट जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं वो सारे क्वेश्चंस मैं आपके साथ इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करूंगी। कुछ क्वेश्चंस के मैं आपके साथ सैम्पल आंसर्स भी डिस्कस करूंगी। जैसे कि मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ, सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस नहीं करूंगी। द रीजन बीइंग टू सेव योर टाइम एंड टू सेव माई टाइम। कुछ क्वेश्चंस जो पिछले महीने भी पूछे गए थे, बहुत कुछ क्वेश्चंस वैसे पिछले महीने जो पूछे गए थे वो ही रिपीटेडली पूछे गए हैं इस हफ्ते, एटलीस्ट इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई। जो लोगों ने मेरे साथ शेयर किया, तो वो सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स भी मैं नहीं डिस्कस करूंगी। अगेन द रीजन बीइंग टू सेव योर टाइम एंड टू सेव माय टाइम। अब जून 2024 के 3 वीडियोस मैंने बनाए हैं, पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2 एंड पार्ट 3। उनको अगर आप रेफर कर लेते हो, ये सारे क्वेश्चंस जो मैं आपके साथ आगे डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ उनमें से जो क्वेश्चंस नए होंगे उस सब के सैम्पल आंसर्स मैं आपके साथ इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मेरा नाम है रचना एंड वेलकम टू माई चैनल। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज। इसके ऊपर मैंने हाउ टू डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज, व्हाट डू यू डू इन योर फ्री टाइम, एक डेडिकेटेड वीडियो भी बनाया है। वो आप मेरे चैनल प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं। एक डेडिकेटेड वीडियो बनाया है मैंने उसके ऊपर। सो आई विल नॉट आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाई इंडिगो, व्हाई नॉट अदर एयरलाइंस। ठीक है, इसके ऊपर भी मैंने एक डेडिकेटेड वीडियो बनाया है कि व्हाई यू वांट टू ज्वाइन इंडिगो। एक डेडिकेटेड वीडियो है मेरे चैनल के वीडियो सेक्शन में। अगर आप जाते हैं तो आपको ये भी एक वीडियो दिखेगा, आप उसको रेफर कर सकते हो। इट विल बी मोर देन सफिशिएंट, उसमें सैंपल आंसर्स मैंने दे रखे हैं। इसके अलावा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है, आर यू एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट और आर यू एन इंट्रोवर्ट। सबसे पहले आपको एक्सट्रोवर्ट एंड इंट्रोवर्ट का मीनिंग समझ में आना चाहिए। आई होप आप इतना तो समझते ही होंगे। दूसरी चीज, इट इज ओके टू बी एन इंट्रोवर्ट। ये चीज मुझे बहुत क्लियरली आपको स्टेट करनी है, क्योंकि बहुत लोग समझते हैं क्योंकि ये एक जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट है जहां पे यू नीड टू बी कम्युनिकेटिव, नीड टू बी एन आउटगोइंग पर्सनैलिटी। येस, यू नीड टू बी एन आउटगोइंग पर्सनैलिटी, बट यू कैन नॉट अंडर एस्टिमेट द aura or the qualities that an introvert also has. You can put yourself out as an introvert very creatively. There is no harm in calling yourself as an introvert. तो मैं शायद ऐसा बोलती कि as an extrovert, I am somebody who's a people's person. I like interacting, I like connecting with people, and this helps creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere amongst my people. Now let's say you are an introvert. How will you put yourself out? I am an introvert person, and because I'm an introvert, I am a good listener. I can empathize very, very well with people. That's why I'm able to pay attention to detail towards the needs of my people. So how you put across your answer also makes a difference. It's not necessary that you have to be an extrovert only, okay? You can be an introvert also, and you can still like or be a good fit to be a cabin crew, right? Next question is, give an example where you really held your temper. अब ये एक सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी क्वेश्चन है, बट अगर फिर भी मेरे को अगर कोई एग्जाम्पल ऐसा पूछे तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ, ट्राई नॉट टू रिलेट इट टू योर वर्क प्रेमाइसेस इफ यू आर एन एक्सपीरियंस पर्सनल. I would say probably that I once went to a supermarket and I saw that there was a long queue of people all waiting to get their stuff that they bought. They were waiting to get it billed, and there was an old lady standing also in the queue. Having seen this old lady standing in the queue, I felt a little bad. I went to the billing counter and I requested them if they could bill this person's commodities first and let the lady go. So they refused, and they said that this is the sequence that has to be followed. Everybody has to be standing in the queue, and this is the sequence and this is the procedure that they will follow. I was a little upset with this act, but I went to the customer service desk and I told them that there should be a dedicated space for people who are elderly, for people who need a little extra help, because it was practically impossible for that lady to be carrying so much stuff and standing there for a very long time. It was clear that she did not have any kind of help, and she looked a little startled as well. So this is something where I really was a little overwhelmed, but I had to keep myself down, because the idea was not to fight or to make a ruckus, but the idea was to make sure that that lady is not suffering. So I did not lose hope, and I went to the customer service department then and there and I complained to them. Somewhere इस act में क्या हुआ, आपने empathy भी दिखा दी, आपने ये भी दिखा दिया your genuineness आपने ये भी दिखा दिया कि यू आर अवेयर ऑफ योर सराउंडिंग्स, एंड आपने ये भी दिखा दिया कि गोइंग थ्रू द राइट चैनल्स इज वॉट इज नीडेड. Getting hyper or getting overwhelmed by the situation is not necessary at all. Next question is, why do you want to be a cabin crew? Guys, इस चीज का जवाब ना सिर्फ आप ही दे सकते हो, क्योंकि सिर्फ आपको पता होगा कि आपको ये नौकरी क्यों चाहिए, क्यों आपको बनना है कैबिन क्रू. ठीक है, एवरीबडी समवेयर डीप विद इन हैज अ ग्रेट पैशन फॉर दिस जॉब, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर अप्लाइंग फॉर इट, राइट. इस चीज का जवाब मैं नहीं दूंगी, बट अगर आपको कोई भी, आप सैंपल आंसर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो और आपको कोई भी सजेशन चाहिए इंप्रूवमेंट में, कैसे आप अपना आंसर बेटर बना सकते हो, प्लीज फील फ्री टू राइट इट टू मी इन द कमेंट्स एंड आई विल ट्राई टू हेल्प यू आउट विद द आंसर दैट यू हैव मेड बाय योरसेल्फ. ओके, next question is, what is grooming and why is it important? Grooming, according to me, is how you put yourself out in the world. It is not just by your outer beauty or how you look or your appearance, but I also feel your gestures, your personality traits, how you engage with people, how you interact with people. I think all these things are part of your personal grooming, and that according to me is grooming. Why is it important? इसका एक आंसर मैंने अपने प्रीवियस जून वाले वीडियोस में डाला है. I don't want to make this video long because मेरे सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर वाले वीडियोस बहुत लंबे होते हैं. आई थिंक मैंने पार्ट 3 वीडियो में डाला है इसका आंसर, तो आप उस पार्ट 3 वाले वीडियो को जरूर देखना. उसमें मैंने एक प्रॉपर सैम्पल आंसर ऑफ व्हाई ग्रूमिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट डाल रखा है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ डू यू थिंक यू विल डील विद अ चैलेंज दैट यू विल फेस आफ्टर बीइंग सेलेक्टेड. ठीक है, नाउ दे आर आस्किंग कि यू नो इट इज अ चैलेंजिंग जॉब एंड इफ यू गेट सेलेक्टेड, हाउ विल यू फेस द चैलेंजेस दैट आर कमिंग. Of course, you are mentally prepared that this job role comes with lots of perks and there is no perk that comes without challenges. Okay, so everything that is good will always have a bit of challenges because you have to earn the good, right? So you are prepared for it mentally, you are up for the challenge, you are somebody who's quite flexible and quite adaptable, and you are waiting to learn every day with those challenges. You are ready to take the challenges and that's why you are present for the interview as well. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज योर वीकनेस. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने कितने सारे वीडियोस में आंसर्स बना रखे हैं, तो आई विल नॉट डिस्कस इन दिस, बट एक ही पॉइंट मुझे बोलना है. जब भी आप वीकनेस का जिक्र कर रहे हो, मेक श्योर कि जब भी आप कोई भी वीकनेस अपना बता रहे हो, उसके बाद उसके इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए आप क्या कर रहे हो वो भी आप मेंशन करो. ठीक है, लेट्स से यू आर समबडी हु हैज बैड ईटिंग हैबिट्स, you stay up late at night, so how are you coping with it? How are you working towards making it better? Because you know it's a bad habit, आपने उसको realize भी कर लिया. The next part after realization is to work on it. ठीक है, to get a solution to get back at the best stage. So ये चीजें आपके आंसर में होनी ही चाहिए. ठीक है, next question is, would you be able to work under pressure? Of course, you know that your answer should be yes. ठीक है, well, I believe that yes, I can work under pressure because I am somebody who is able to manage stressful situations. I am somebody who's able to keep calm, and I think it's very important to keep calm in stressful situations because at the end of it, if you want to get out of a situation, the first step that you should be taking towards any situation where you are under pressure or you feel pressured or you feel stressed is to stay calm. If you have maintained your coolness, if you have maintained your calmness, then the ride ahead starts, or the stress ahead starts decreasing according to me. So yes, if I had to answer this question, I would answer like this and I would say yes, I am totally able to work under pressure, and the reason why I'm able to work under pressure is because I'm able to follow the first step, that is to stay calm in any situation. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वुड यू बी एबल टू रीलोकेट टू अदर प्लेसेस. तो एक चीज मुझे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंटली ये क्वेश्चन के पहले बोलनी है कि ये चीज ना वो ऐसे आपसे सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, तो ऑलवेज बी प्रेजेंट इन द इंटरव्यू. ठीक है, डोंट कीप योर माइंड बिजी इन सम अदर थॉट्स. तो वो पहले आपसे पूछेंगे व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, व्हाट आर योर वीकनेसेस. आपने लेट्स से स्ट्रेंथ में बोल दिया आई एम वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल, आई एम वेरी अडेप्टेबल. ठीक है, then they will, in between your answers, they will ask you, oh, so tell me, will you be willing to relocate to any other base? And us time pe do not say no. Why? Because you yourself have mentioned that your biggest strength is to be flexible, your biggest strength is to be adaptable to situations. ठीक है, तो you are counter questioning or you are contradicting your own statements. So if they ask you that we do not have your choice of base available, but if we give you a job, would you be willing to relocate to any base? So your answer generally should be that yes, I am somebody who's flexible in my nature, I am somebody who's adaptable in my nature, and that's why I'm willing to relocate and explore this part of our country as well while being there, and I'm ready to take up the challenge of living independently as well. Next question is, what makes you a standout candidate, or why should we hire you? In this question, you should put out the best traits about you. Why are you the best candidate? Okay, so what will you say? Why are you the best candidate? I am the best candidate because of my deepest passion for this job. And for me, this job is just not a job, it is also a passion. And somewhere this is also the truth. अगर मैं खुद का एग्जाम्पल भी आपको दूं तो दिस यूट्यूब थिंग तो अभी 6 महीने या 1 साल से ही हुआ होगा. आई हैव बिन helping or coaching people for free for many years now, because I've been in this for quite a long time now. So this is really a passion for me. So if you have this passion in you, then you should be able to describe it very well. Okay, so it is not just a job for you. Your passion to grow, your passion to learn, your passion to explore and see how far this whole industry works, how it works, how you can help the younger generations, how you are going to expand or diversify your knowledge in this stream, is all that requires you to be a standout candidate. Okay, so your answer should include these points. Next question is, what is your greatest strength? ये एक सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी क्वेश्चन है. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला था, जो भी स्ट्रेंथ के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो, ये चीज प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड रखना. आपसे वो स्ट्रेंथ पूछने के बाद, वो 1-2 सवाल के बाद आपसे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा पूछेंगे वेयर दैट स्ट्रेंथ जो आपने मेंशन किया था उसके बारे में यू आर एबल टू गिव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एग्जाम्पल टू प्रूव कि येस, दिस इज रियली माई स्ट्रेंथ. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आर यू रेडी टू डील विथ स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशंस? ये सिमिलर है to are you able to work under pressure. ठीक है, like I answered about work under pressure, you can answer about stressful situations as well. Next question is, why are you pursuing graduation? ठीक है, एक कैंडिडेट से ये पूछा गया कि why are you pursuing graduation and why have you applied for this job role? Because that person was also studying and they also applied for this interview. So what will you answer? So you can say, I understand that it is important to complete your education, and I also have deep passion and interest in working as a cabin crew. So I decided to start applying for interviews, and at the same time I also want to complete my education. If I do get employed and if I have to choose to do both of them together, I will manage my time effectively, because for me both the things are important. Education is as important as a job, and a job is as important as completing your education. And I also believe that Indigo is an airline which supports people who are hardworking, which supports people who are working towards achieving goals. Next question is introduction in Hindi. बहुत लोगों से आजकल introduction in Hindi पूछ रहे हैं. I think maybe because lot of candidates को उन्हें लगता है कि हिंदी में उतना फ्लुएंटली वो नहीं बात कर सकते हैं, तो प्रिपेयर योर इंट्रोडक्शन ऑल्सो इन हिंदी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट दिस जॉब रोल? ठीक है, एज अ कैबिन क्रू का जॉब रोल आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें पता है? You are responsible to take care of the safety of people, you are responsible to take care of their well-being as well, so you are a first aider as well. You are somebody who's a trained customer service specialist. You are somebody who is wholly and completely responsible for every single passenger from the time they enter your aircraft till the time they leave the aircraft. You are somebody who is doing multitasks on board. You know, if there is any kind of issue that happens on board, you are the one who's going to be responsible. You are the one who's going to be approached. So basically it is not just one role, you are a multitasker on board. So these are some of the things that you should know as a cabin crew, right? And दूसरी चीज़ जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए अच्छे से कि what are some of the tasks that a cabin crew performs. ठीक है, they greet passengers, they help them, they assist them, they make sure that they are happy on the flight, they make sure that all their needs are met, they make sure that they are safe, they take care of people who need extra assistance, like old people, like mothers with infants, like people who are on wheelchair, like people who are specially abled. They take care of those people as well. These are some of the things that they do. So these are some of the things that you should be able to describe to them. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ विल यू हैंडल अ रूट पैसेंजर. इसका भी जवाब मैंने दिया है अपने जून के क्वेश्चंस में. आप अगर उसको रेफर कर लेते हो तो बहुत कुछ क्वेश्चन सिमिलर है. आई थिंक बहुत कुछ ही सिमिलर ही क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए, एक या दो के अलावा. Next question is, are you a team worker or an individual worker? I had to answer this question. I would say that working in a team and working as an individual, I think both the aspects of a person will make a person a good crew member, because I believe that sometimes working in a team, if you possess good communication skills, if you are able to understand or empathize with each other, you are able to work well in a team. And apart from that, sometimes it is also important for an individual to take up individual initiatives, to take responsibilities individually also, to be a good cabin crew member. So I believe that working as a team member or working as an individual, both are equally important to become or to qualify as a good cabin crew member. Next question is, what would you like to change in Delhi? So this interview was conducted in Delhi and it was asked to one of the candidates, what do you want to change in Delhi? If I had to answer this question, I would say the pollution index that has been on the rise ever since a couple of years is something that I would like to change, because Delhi is the capital city of our country and it is something that has to change, because there are a lot of people who are traveling to Delhi every now and then. It is the capital. It is always going to be under the eyes of the whole world, and also for the well-being and for the health of the people of Delhi, I would like to do something towards reducing the pollution of Delhi. Next question is, what do you understand between being spiritual and being religious? Okay, this is a question which is quite new, तो इसके बारे में मैं आपके साथ discuss करूँगी. I had to answer this question. I would say that I believe that being spiritual is being able to connect to something which is greater than oneself. However, religious is believing or having a set of beliefs or practices that a group of people perform. And if you ask me whether I'm a spiritual person or I'm a religious person, so somewhere I'm a mixture of both. I like to connect to my existence. I like to question my purpose in life as well. And somewhere I also am a bit religious. I do follow some of the customs and traditions that my religion allows me to follow. Plus, I'm also always intrigued towards the purpose of my life, the purpose of my existence, and everything else that spirituality has to offer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, टॉक अबाउट कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज. इसके बारे में मैंने अपने जून वाले वीडियोस में आंसर दिया है. प्लीज गो रेफर टू इट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, टॉक अबाउट ग्रीन कलर. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड और व्हाट कम्स टू योर माइंड बाय द कलर ग्रीन व्हेन आई से इट? Okay, the first thought that comes to my mind when I think of the color green is somewhere it is associated to nature, it is associated to calmness. And now if I talk from the context of air travel, I think it brings a sense of tranquility and it brings a sense of well-being, which I believe is crucial for our passengers. It's crucial for providing good customer service. Next question is, do you think traveling impacts people? If I had to answer this question, I would say yes, I believe or I strongly believe that traveling truly impacts people. Having said this, I would like to quote my personal example. I believe that traveling has expanded my horizon. I'm able to empathize and understand other communities, other people, people from different parts of the world better. I also have learned so many different aspects of life. I have understood exactly how you're able to experience the journey and not the destination. Traveling is what has made me what I am today. Traveling has made me understand the importance of having journeys, experiencing through the downs and ups of all the journey. And it has taught me how to have patience, how to continue to grow even if there has been a downfall, and how to always keep thinking of how you're going to get there. So this is something that traveling has taught me. आज के इस वीडियो में बस इतना ही. फॉर मोर फ्यूचर कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यूज, क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू कैबिन क्रू इंटरव्यू, ग्राउंड स्टाफ इंटरव्यू, स्टे ट्यून्ड. अगर आपने भी किसी भी एयरलाइन के इंटरव्यू में पार्ट लिया है तो प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू राइट योर क्वेश्चंस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. दिस विल हेल्प अ लॉट ऑफ अदर कैंडिडेट्स हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इंटरव्यूज़. इसके अलावा अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन में, सैम्पल आंसर में कोई भी क्वेरी है तो यू कैन राइट दैट ऑल्सो टू मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. I will respond to you. Thank you very much for your time and goodbye.